Y'all want to heal the planet? Do you want to heal all relationships? Do you want to see things beautifully, cohesively, and divinely orchestrated with more joy, more happiness, more bliss? Do you want to see the oceans and the lands back to their original source self? Plentiful, bountiful, beautiful? Everybody healthy with higher states of consciousness? Well, then that's going to require harmonizing and working on healing the divine feminine and the divine masculine within yourself. And once you learn how to really cohesively blend the two as one, you will hear, see, sense, and feel the earth, all the planets, all the beings, all the plants, everything in a whole different harmonic. Sit back, connect with that breath, and simply ask. I am healing and loving and merging the divine feminine and the divine masculine within myself, within my energetics. Please help me and show me and guide me on how to interlock these two to become one. And then I want you to pay attention to what you see, what you sense, and what you feel from the inside out and from the outside in. Because you could be processing and interpreting things completely differently. Please let me know in the comments how you're doing. And if I can help on this journey, embodimentofthesoul.com. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate your support. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.